Hey everybody, it's the Thanksgiving Day rocket launch with all kinds of rockets that you saw last time that were recovered, some new things, and a whole big sampling of the Bergfeld Vavelucas crew. Behind me we got my dad, my niece, a couple of nephews, a whole bunch of them, a brother, and a son. So let's see what's happening with these rockets. Hopefully we'll get most of them back again. All right, happy Thanksgiving. Here we go. All right, the first rocket of the day is Imp. This is a complete redesign of Imp, and it's the first flight. Going with a B6. It's a very light rocket. Yeah. Should go about 500 feet.
Yeah, that's fair.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. That's
landed right on top of it.
It's going for Nico. Wow. Wow, that's pretty good.
That did not open, did it?
No, it did.
It will. All right, looks like it's coming good.
Does that not have a streamer?
No streamer.
Wow.
Tumble.
That was really nice.
What'd you find there, Greg?
Our first launch is a complete success. We see that there is a low mid-altitude wind. The rocket returned with slight damage to the fin, which popped right back on. We're in good shape to start the day.
Excellent for the first rocket of the day. Let's keep moving. All right, this is Sawfly. This is the second flight of this design, having it been fully recovered last time. It has a C-12, should go about 800 feet. Let's see how she goes.
3, 2, 1.
Really went.
The other one went that direction too.
Oh, we got it.
Wow,
That's way up there.
Got a little bit of a...
I have lost it. Sorry, the sun got in my eyes.
very slow.
And here it comes down. What?
That's 2 successful launches. Someone get that.
Looks like Sawfly has come back fully recovered. Everything worked. Nice. All right, the next rocket today is Windsock. This is the second flight of this design of Windsock. We recovered it last time. Some breakage that we repaired. 750 feet is the estimated altitude.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Boy, they're going good. Having some successful launches today. The first time I was
gracious.
they were all over.
There it goes.
There it is.
Oh, and now it's going the way we expected. Where the hell is it? It's right there.
Oh, we caught a win there.
That's just the
Puff of smoke.
snow. It's falling right there. Look.
I can't see on that.
Who's got
It's
it?
right there.
I lost it completely.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I should.
So, Max, what did you find?
Surprisingly complete and healthy rocket.
Hooray!
All the pieces on.
Looks like we got another one back. All right, here we go. That's 3 of 3. All right, this is the last of our C-12s. This one is called Quasit. It's the heaviest at 700 feet to apogee.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. See it. Right there. I mean, hopefully you can see it, right?
I got it.
Yeah, just follow the trail.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's happening?
It didn't bop.
It's going right.
It's fine though. It's falling. It's falling pretty slow though.
Coming down lateral.
You're gonna lose a pin.
I've lost it again.
Tip down, come on.
Right here.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. It just didn't
It's
pop.
just tumbling, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it'll be fine. Oh no. That looked pretty bad.
Oh, there goes Karen. Hey, Karen, what'd you find? Looks like she found that the rocket broke in half after it didn't deploy. But we did recover it, so that's good news.
Did it crack it?
It broke in half, yeah. Right there.
Oh.
All right, the next rocket is the first D-20. Should go 1,100 feet. It's called Gnome. All right, go.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
I got it. It's puffed. It's very high.
It's going far away. It's going.
Straight, it's like a noon. Straight at noon.
Is that dude?
See it?
No. Oh, I got it. Oh, that's really far. Yeah, it's in the fairgrounds, but that can happen. All right, the next one is Method. Another D20, should go about 1,000 feet. Let's see how she goes. Now.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Wait!
All right, we got deployment.
Heads up. That's fast.
It's coming down very quickly.
Heads up. Just go. Launch Oh!
Heads up.
There it goes.
We did not get a car, we're a win.
I mean, it seems to be.
Here we go, we're gonna get it.
I think that was the
Whoa! Well, that rocket worked perfectly well, except the fin popped off. But a quick repair and they'll be back into the sky. All right, here we go. This is Goblin, has a D22 engine. We expect it to go 1,200 feet.
Here we go.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You're like, and you never get through that.
Anybody got it?
That one got
Oh,
There it is!
Did it explode?
yeah.
Oh, that's so
Tracking powder. Hey, we got it back!
that's a
All
pretty.
right, off you go.
Run, Forrest.
Tell them, ladies and gentlemen.
Broken rocket. Pretty good though. Had to pull this out of the ground like a sword, but looks good.
Yeah, I think we've recovered it mostly. Thank you.
It looks pretty reusable also.
It totally is. Cool. All right, next is Bugbear, which is a D22, the second D22. This one only 1,000 feet. Let's see if we can track it up in the sky.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Okay,
it worked. Here we go. No, it's
Wait a minute, it's going, it's cooking. Yeah.
That's straight.
Oh wow.
Did it pop?
Go catch it, Max.
No, it's
Go catch it,
It's
Max.
coming fast. I don't think it's ejected properly.
I got it.
No, that's legal.
It does look pretty far though.
Bye.
It's a white thing up there.
It's getting silence.
It just started going. Oh no, I see it now.
Where is that gonna land?
I think it's on the other side. Yeah, it's definitely on the other side. Oh, but it is.
Oh, I think it's either in the road or the pit. All right, this is Owlbear, the last D22 of the day. We expect it to go 750 feet.
3, 2, 1.
Little squirrely. Got it.
Are you not doing the red stuff anymore?
I am. It's coming down fast.
Oh, there. It's unfortunately.
Whoa, yeah, we got it back. Go.
We found the shredded remains of the owlbear. Really hard landing.
Yep. Looks like we got it all back just in a bunch of pieces.
Yeah.
Thanks for going after it, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kuiper, very reliable design. Goes about 1,000 feet. This is the second launch for this version of Kuiper.
I mean, is it now?
3, 2, 1, launch.
Beautiful.
Oh, good. It's way up there, but
It has deployed as we want it to.
It's got a speed bend. Past the cars, I think. Feel like it's snowed in.
Looks like we're gonna get it back.
Speed spin.
that was a good one, Dad.
It's in the tree! It's a disaster! All right, this is the full E35. It's Boulay. This is the second launch of this design.
Not at all.
And we suspect that it will go 1,100 feet. Second largest rocket of the day.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Frel!
Oh, dude.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, no.
Wait, no.
Oh, yeah.
Nice!
We're okay.
It's coming down pretty fast. I think it's coming toward us. Could be in the road.
I feel like that's in the fairground.
Fairground? That looks like road.
Looks like the road. No, fairground.
Fairground! All right, last rocket of the day, F-26 Ogre. Should go 1,250 feet. This is the second launch. This was successful last week.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. Oh, it was deployed correctly.
Sand pit?
It's coming down fast. I think it's going to be the pit, though.
Drifting. It's a big rocket, so that's much farther than it seems to be. Yeah.
Oh, I think it's the pit.
Don't go in the trees. Don't go in the trees. God, it's drifting big time.
There we go. It's into the pit. All right.
Right or left? You're hiding.
I'm right here.
All right.
Why your dad is being so...
I'm getting ready to go.
I'm right here.
Go.
Settle down.
All right. Here we go. Coming in. All right, everybody, that was the big Thanksgiving rocket launch with this array of people. We've got Andrew, Zeno, Aleka, Max, Helen, Casper, Nico, Greg, Big Doug, Kirsty, and Karen, along with me, your host, Doug Bergfeld. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving and stay tuned for the next launch. Good night.